Hey everyone, this is filler number 3 for Mr. Andy Hobbs for the chainsaw, a new chain. Spot 1 gets 5 spots on the main, 10 at 5. And copy our list. Go live. 520. And paste our list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 520. And we got a 9. 529 times. 10 items on the list. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9 items on the list. 10 items on the list. Danny on top. Miss Janet on the bottom. We've randomized 8 times. Dice called for a 9. 521. Final time. Good luck, everyone. Mr. Jason McCormick, spot number 5. 10 items on the list. Randomized 9 times. Dice called for a 9. Congrats, Mr. Jason. We are done. 521. Thanks, everyone.